You're all welcome to my videos, my channels. Please subscribe or view, like it, share or follow. So I want to discuss about 8 food that is not good and it's very harmful food for prostate cancer. Prostate cancer torments, kills so many men in the world. Now it has entered Africa deeply and killed so many people. Early detections saves life, but if it's reached toward end to become chronic, cure is very rare. So let me move into the food you must not eat or you should reduce how you take it. The first one is processed meat. Meat like sausage, bacons, hot dogs, because it contains preservatives. Since this food contains preservatives, it can easily be so dangerous and reach cancer effect. So reduce the amount you take in a day, or maybe you can take once in a week. Another food that is harmful for prostate cancer is cooked meat that is in a very high temperature. Very high temperature cooked meat. It can lead to carcinogen compounds, which may lead to promote the growth of cancer. Another food is dairy products that contains increase in calcium. Since calcium intake is very high increase, it can risk prostate cancer. Please reduce the rate of calcium in your food. Another one is food that is have highly saturated trans fats. Highly saturated trans fats, like snacks, like red meat. This can go and increase the growth of this cancer. Another food is refined carbohydrates, like white bread, sugary snacks, refined grains. It may go and cause what we call insulin resistance. When it leads to insulin resistance, insulin is a hormone that helps in breaking down of highly sugary food, because it converts sugar, that is glucose, to glycogen. So when it leads to insulin resistance, there may be excess sugar in the body, which increase the growth of this cancer. Number 7 food that you should reduce the intake is food that is high in advanced glycogen products. Food such as fried or grilled meats, which contains this AGE, glycation, advanced glycation N products, is not good for the body. Another food is isoflavones. When some food like increase this, it will go and increase the therapies. It will go and increase the cancerous effects. It will increase the growth of the cancer. It will cause problem in prostate. So in our next video, I will bring the remedies, that is the treatment, and how you can prevent prostate cancer. Please stay tuned and watch the next video, and we'll see you. Thank you.